Hello and welcome. I am the Irish Cockney and this is my YouTube channel. And today we are doing some investments on trading 212. As you can see on screen, this is my investment product portfolio. I've been investing um, for a couple of months now. Reason why I'm doing it, I'm trying to build up some wealth, some money, and so when I retire in the next 27 years, I'll hopefully be heading to Thailand and to live out there with my partner. My partner is from Thailand. We met a couple of years, well, year and a bit ago now. Um, Getting on fine, so trying to build up some retirement funds to go along with my state pension when I retire. So I've been working here all my life, so I should be entitled to receive the full state pension amount. And also, I've been putting some money into work pension as well. So let's get into it and let's show you um, the pie. So, what got me into investing? Oh, this gentleman here. I've got this pie, which I've set up and copied from the compound investor. I was at work, working throughout the night, was on my lunch break, and was watching like YouTube videos. Finished the videos while I was watching. Each video come up in the search thing. I still had like time left on my lunch break, so I clicked on it, watched his video. Video was very good, um, and I thought if he can do it, why not me? So I copied his pie and been putting money in it. I think I started back in January. Uh, First uh, start putting money in, and so far I've grown it. I only gone up by £30 and 27 pence, what you can see on screen at the moment. But yeah, I'm slowly doing it. So that's one of the ones I've invested in, and also I've been watching YouTube videos from this gentleman, um, the Dividend experience. I think his YouTube channel is called like Almost Daily Dividend, which you can find his videos. Well, both people what's shown. They're doing like really decent videos, um, which I have followed and watched. So let's get into my pie. This is my pie. I only literally started it. I started at the end of last month and um, put about £100 for it set up to have £100 a month in. I've got different shares covering like different areas. So I've got like financial shares, um, like petrol, mining, uh, banking, property, and other companies. So it's very fast. And also like the SP 500 and the ones covering like America. So I pretty much got near enough like every company covered. So I should receive a good amount of dividends per, per month, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I know it's going to be slow, but hopefully within the next 25 years of putting in and like building up and reinvesting the dividends each time I get it, I should hopefully build it up. I'm gonna do like monthly videos, keep you updated on how it's going, how it's growing, like what changes I've done at the moment. Um, can't give you financial advice. Like this is my own like personal thing. So if you make like comments in the comments, I can't give you advice. This is my own like personal journey which I've gone through. So let's go through it. There's like 50 different companies, which is the maximum allowed on this particular pie. So they're all set to 2%. So when I put £100 in, it's all divided up equally, so they all get 2% that money. So it's like free balance, as I can show you here. It's like free balance. I only just started it, so that's when the 22nd of June 2026 is basically like when I set the day out. So I haven't received anything, haven't received like any different just as yet. I aim to make £1 million, hopefully by the time, but if I get anywhere close to that, I'll be happy. I think, yeah, projected to make like 100,000 by then, but it could change. It's like it go up and down. So that's when like £100 each month's going to come out, basically after I get paid at work. So let's go into the holding. So I've got Anglo America, first one, Astra and Seneca, the Fever, BAE Systems, Barclays, BHP Group, BP, British American Tobacco, British Land, Servergio, Diversified Energy, Endeavour Mining, Fidelity Group Quality Income, Glencore, GSK, Harbour Energy, HSBC, Imperial Brands, iShare Core, S&P 500, Ithaca Energy, Plain Security, Legal and General, Lloyds Banking Group, London Metric Property, M&G, Marks and Spencers, National Grid, NatWest, Pendanon, Visandum, Primary Health Property, Pure Dental, Beckett, Winnegrassa, Rio Trina, Decor Group, Severn Trent, Shell, SPDR, S&P US, and Dividend, SSE, Standard Chartered, Standard Life, Taylor Wimpey, Tesco, Stratzer, Big Box, Unilever, United Utilities, in three Vanguard groups, then finally WPP. So as you can see, like the prices are changing, and some are creeping up, some are down. So hopefully, as we're going along, trying to get all these green. No, it's gonna be hard. See how it goes. Um, like saying, this is the other one which I've been doing a lot longer. I've followed this gentleman, and so far I'll receive in the 7 months is like £5.50 difference. So not small. It's only going to be like pennies. But hopefully it will build up, go from like pennies into pounds, then into like quite a large bit of money. So I'll keep you updated. Each month I'm going to do monthly video, let you know how much dividends I receive each month from each company, how it's going, um, what's it doing, and that. So yeah. So if you like this, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, give us a like, comment down below, and I will see you all later. Have a really good day, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now. Bye.